Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Sit upright, feet grounded, study materials close. Start a 10-15-minute focused meditation. Choose breath or body scan. Close your eyes, inhale for 4, exhale for 6, and note tension. You do this to prime attention networks and lower reactivity so focus transfers to study. Once settled, open materials and set a single, clear study goal. Make sure the timer and DND are active. Start the first short study block immediately after the meditation ends. Once you've begun studying, extend focus by alternating 25-45-minute study blocks with 5-10-minute micro-meditations or breathing resets. During a block, when distraction appears, label it quickly. Thinking, planning, then return to the breath or the sentence you were reading within 5 seconds. You do this to train response instead of reaction. The micro-meditations consolidate that habit. Make sure to use consistent sensory cues, like a lamp or a light scent, to cue the calm, focused state and reduce transition friction between meditation and work. To finish, spend 2 to 3 minutes on a brief body scan or gratitude focus to anchor the session and solidify concentration gains. Then record one clear outcome, what you finished, and the next action in a single sentence. This closes the loop so future sessions start faster. If your focus drifts repeatedly, shorten study blocks, increase the frequency of micro-meditations, or change environmental triggers. Try moving the chair or dimming light until attention stabilizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.